Welcome you all, dear students. Now watch a video. You are watching some drawings. Famine picture, that means দুর্ভিক্ষ. সাঁওতাল মেয়ে, দুর্ভিক্ষের ছবি. Lots of drawings. দুর্ভিক্ষের পরবর্তী ছবি. বিদ্রোহী সার. So what is the video about? Sword of Shilpacharya Joynul Abein. Our today's lesson is Joynul Abein, the greatest artist. Let us know something about Joynul Abein. Birthplace Kishoreganj, date of birth 29 December 1914. In 1938, he graduated with the first position in first class. He attended the Slade School of Arts, London during 1951 to 52. He was titled Shilpacharya, Great Teacher of Art. Brahmaputra Nath. Joynul Abein was inspired to be an artist by the river Brahmaputra. Government School of Art, Kolkata. After completing high school, he got admitted in this school. Slade School of Arts, London. He attended the Slade School of Arts in London from 1951 to 1952. First Art School, Dhaka. Now Art Institute, Dhaka. Joynul Abein was the first principal of this institution, and he was the father of Folk Art Museum at Sonagaon. Joynul Abein Sangrahshala, a gallery of his own works, in Mymensingh. Joynul Abein designed the page of Constitution of Bangladesh. Now we have to learn some vocabs. Feminine sketches, that means Durbikha Chobi. Drawing picture of a feminine picture. Joynul Abein was famous for drawing feminine sketches. Sinister, harmful or ashubha. So meaning harmful, injurious and pernicious. Timid people are afraid of sinister face. Skeletal, that means concal. Frame or structure of body. The picture shows the skeletal parts of human body. Plight, that means pratigya. Commitment, promise, pledge, undertaking or promising. It is our plight to protect addiction. Depict, meaning representing by drawing. So a painter depicts his imagination by drawing pictures. Now compassion, meaning sympathy or empathy. We should have compassion to the helpless. Charcoal, that means katkoila. Coil, cinder, or burning object. Carbon monoxide is produced by burning charcoal. Milestone, a guide to a destination. Let's have a tour from the text. Now read the text and answer the questions that follow. Number 1, writing details how Joynul Abein portrayed the sufferings of people. Number 2, what influence did the river Brahmaputra have on Joynul Abein? How did he show the influence in his works? Number 3, what did this work earn him later in his life? And number 4, how did his art help to intensify the non-cooperation movement? Look at the series of pictures and we have to identify what does it say. Picture 1, what is the picture about? And picture 2, picture 3. You have to say what is the picture about. Now you have some multiple choice. Number 1, the US ambassador to Bangladesh considers Joynul Abein a. What will be the answer? Number 2, Joynul's art gallery was set up in 1972 or 73 or 74 or 75. Number 3, the number of Joynul's artwork preserved in the gallery is 53 or 65 or 62 or 75. Number 4, the US ambassador commented that the museum is a global wealth, gift, treasure or asset. Number 5, Mozilla visited the gallery for 3 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, and half hour. Now you have to do some words, number 1 to 5, by reading the text. You have to write a paragraph on the life and activities of Joynul Abein. Thank you all. May Allah help.